everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, well actually, an unbagging of this new little something that I picked up for myself. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm also going to be doing a what fits in this bag because it is a mini bag. I purchased this from Luxedujour, and she is an Instagram-based consignment company based in my city. So I love her. This is the second purchase I've made from her. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys what is in this lovely bag. So this is her. It didn't come with a box though, which is sad, but it did come with this dust bag, and this is my first Gucci item. This is my first Gucci bag. So we're gonna open it, and it is this one. So this is the Gucci Dionysus GG Supreme Super Mini. And this is what it looks like. This is the blooms pattern. It has the flowers on it, and I thought this bag would just be perfect for the spring and the summer. And this is when I would normally carry a purse this small, so this is definitely like a wallet on chain slash mini bag, and I really hope my stuff fits in here because it is super tiny. I did know this was going to be tiny because I didn't see this in store beforehand before purchasing it, but I already knew it was tiny. I watched a bunch of people's reviews on this beforehand, and I also saw somebody in the mall carrying just the regular print one. But when I saw this, I was just super excited because I just really like the bloom design on it. I think it's really pretty, and I do like the maroon detailing on the bag. I think it's really pretty as well. Yeah, it's this really nice soft suede almost feeling type leather. So yeah, it's really pretty. And of course, like all Dionysus bags have, it has this really pretty lion detailing on the front. This bag is just so cute. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It kind of looks bigger than it is, to be completely honest with you. Like I'll show you guys what I mean. So it's just one flap. So it just comes open like that. This thing is nothing. There is no compartment in there at all. It's just like, it's false hope when you open this bag and you think that there's a little tiny compartment in there you can put your cards in. There isn't, which I feel like there should be, but there isn't. This is just for decoration, I guess. So the inside is a nice burgundy as well, and I'll show you guys what the chain looks like. So it just comes like that. It's an extra long chain. It's pretty heavy and pretty durable. Like, it's pretty sturdy. That's what it looks like. When you open it as well, there's this little key ring portion right here, and this is if you want to wear this like a fanny pack. So there's just so many ways to wear this bag, and I just prefer it being crossbody, but you can definitely wear it like a fanny pack. You can wear it just so many different ways. This bag is so versatile. So yeah, just the top flap is burgundy, and then if you look on the inside, it is a nice beige color, and it is the same type like suede feeling leather on the inside. So this is the bag. I think she is absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to, you know, just go out on like a date night or something like that, go for a walk, wear a pretty dress, and wear this bag. I think it's gonna look great in the summer and the spring. So I definitely would not carry my phone in here because my phone is pretty big. This is the Huawei P30 Pro. So I just feel like it would take up way too much space and there would just be nothing left over. So my phone is generally like in my hands anyways. So if you're looking for a bag that fits your phone, I'm pretty sure you could fit it in here, but I don't think that would leave very much room. So I would definitely just carry my phone separate. So I'm definitely a minimalist when it comes to just carrying stuff with me. I don't carry like a huge bag, and I don't carry a lot of stuff with me when I'm going out to do errands especially. I just have a few basic things that I normally keep with me and that's it. So I don't need a huge bag to carry all my stuff in. I just need something small that's gonna hold like my basic stuff, especially if I'm using this just to run errands. Although this is the type of bag I would normally bring if I did, like if I was driving somewhere, because I would still need my lotion. That's like so basic for me, and I don't think my lotion would fit in here. So the first thing I would normally bring if I'm carrying a smaller purse is my card holder. This is just a YSL card holder, and I would also carry my keys. This is just a Louis Vuitton key clay, and this is just the 4-slot one. So if I had the bigger one of these, I would just carry this, because I think if you had the 6-key one, you can fit your cards and stuff in here, but this one is too small to fit my cards in. So that's why I have a separate card holder. And look at how much space I have left. There's not really a whole lot left. So the other two basic necessity things that I would normally carry with me are my blotting papers. My skin gets greasy throughout the day, so I'm gonna just try to fit that. Oh yeah, it fits fine. That fits fine. And if I was to bring gum, I'd have to carry that like in my car, just leave it in my car, which is not a huge deal. There's not a lot of space in here, so don't expect that you're gonna fit a whole lot. Also, my fob for my car, I would need that to fit in here as well. And I don't know if it's going to. I'm gonna stick it on the side actually. My fob does not fit in my Louis Vuitton key clay, if you guys are wondering. So we're gonna have to finesse this. My keys don't really ever come out of my purse or my pocket if I was to keep it in my pocket. It's a push button start, so I don't really need to take my key out. Oh my gosh, there's like no space. Okay, so yeah, that just fits. So I do have my Louis Vuitton key clay, my blotting papers, my card holder, and my fob just in the corner there. And that is pretty much all that I can fit. Does it close? Okay, yeah. Closes, it fits everything perfectly. It's all snug in there. And yeah, that is that. I like the way it looks when it's full. Some purses can look kind of not that nice once they're over full, but this one looks great. Everything fits perfectly that I need. So like my basic necessities. If you are trying to carry a full-size wallet with you, that is not going to happen with this purse. Obviously it's small and it's compact, and you're not going to want to carry like a huge wallet with you anyways. Basically it's just going to fit your wallet and your keys. Maybe a pack of gum if you guys didn't have like a key clay or anything. If you just had your keys on a normal key ring, I think it would fit a pack of gum just fine. So just your basic necessities. It's not gonna fit a whole lot. It is what it is. It's a small bag. It's a mini bag. So yeah, that is my thoughts on this purse. I do really like it, and I do like the way, like the different ways you can wear this bag. It's just very versatile, and I am really glad that I picked the blooms design, because I just think it's so pretty and a little bit different than your basic Gucci bag. It is pretty much my review on the Dionysus GG Super Mini. And yeah, so if you are a type of person that is a minimalist and you don't need to carry a whole lot of things with you, this is the perfect mini bag. If you guys like a little bit more room and a little bit more space, maybe go with like the YSL envelope clutch. I guess this one is more casual. You can wear it with more things. That one is more like a date night, really elegant type bag, but it's definitely going to give you more space if you guys are looking for more space. But if you guys are a minimalist, this is a really nice mini bag, and I'm definitely looking forward to being able to wear it out and to go on some future like restaurant type dates and stuff with this bag, and figuring out the different ways that I can wear this, because there is so many. And yeah, I will try this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like on. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I will leave Luxedujour's link down below if you guys want to check her out, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone. Okay guys, excuse the pajamas. I'm in my YouTube uniform right now, where I'm dressed up on top and not on the bottom. So this is what it looks like on. It hits me, so crossbody, it's just right at the hip, the perfect length. And I am 5'5", if you guys were wondering. So if you're a little bit shorter, this is going to be a little bit further down your hip. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And of course, if you guys didn't want to do it crossbody, if you just wanted to wear it just long wise, this is what it would look like. I know this looks completely ridiculous with pajamas, but that's the best I can do right now. So you guys can also double up the chain if you fold it along at the inside, and that's another way to wear it. Also, you can wear it like a fanny pack. It's kind of the perfect size for that as well. So yeah, that is that.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.